So I got everything primed. Now this is the hardest part, is just waiting for paint to dry, because I do need to sand this down before I go ahead and spray, because the way that the pearl is set up, if you don't have a super smooth finish, the pearl becomes blotchy because it'll sit in the little like uneven surfaces. It's about half an hour later, the paint finally dried. I already went ahead and started sanding it. As you guys can see, I already went ahead and wiped it down. So right now it's ready to paint. I'm gonna try and paint it. I think she might be coming home soon, so hopefully, you know, if she doesn't notice, I turned off the garage so she can't open the door. I'll probably just tell her don't come in the garage. But yeah, let me go ahead and set up the gun and try to get some color on here real quick. Okay, Christine's outside. I'm gonna give her her wing. Ready? Happy birthday!
Oh, thank you.
It got messed up, so we might have to redo it because I tried to do it when you weren't here, so I had to rush it.
Oh.
But I tried to paint it.
This is the one that I wanted.
It looks good, huh?
I like it, thank you.
You're welcome. So after this, now we can do the third brake light on the inside of the car.
It's bigger than I thought it was gonna be.
Yeah, it's nice.
But I like it. So now that the spoiler is on, I do have a third brake light that we're gonna hook up.
Okay, there, it works. Now do me a favor, push the brake. Okay, let off the brake. Okay, push the brake. Let off the brake. Okay, cool, it works. Okay, push it and run and you can see. We have aftermarket tail lights, so the colors kind of correlate to what we're trying to install. So we have the black going to the black wire, the green and the red. The red powers the box. The green is going to be a parking light, and then this white wire is going to go to the red wire on the brake light harness, because that's going to be for when you push the brake pedal.
Should I measure it first and then stick it? Or should I just go for it?
It's your car, but like, just try to make it as even as possible. Oh, you're sticking it already? Yeah. Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. See it. Ready?
Uh-huh. Oh,
Okay, there we go.
that's pretty cool.
Yeah?
I like it.
Oh, yeah. Okay guys, we'll show you what it looks like at nighttime, but we just closed up the garage door and stuff in, like, so we can show you guys what it looks like. Yeah, it looks pretty sick. Yeah, that looks super cool. It gives it like a more modern look to it. It looks cool, yeah.
That does look cool. I thought I wasn't gonna like it because it does have that light show thing. But it looks really cool.
Okay guys, so we're gonna go ahead and set up these ambient lights. Maybe footwell lights, I don't know. We're trying to figure it out right now. These are RGB lights, so it'll flash different colors and stuff like that. So we just want to see like where's the best placement, because she wants footwell lights, but she also wants like ambient lights. I know people put them on the roof and stuff, but I don't know if that's gonna work for our situation. So we'll see. We'll figure it out right now. I'll let you guys know what we're gonna do.
I found the position that I want to put the back lights. I'm gonna put it against the seat because it lights up the back seats really good. That looks nice. You can see the confetti seats.
Okay, yeah. I think that's a good idea.
Okay. So that's gonna be it for today's video. I'll show you guys a better look at what the lights look like the next time I take the car out at night. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, for rocking with us. We'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out and stay good.